Hi, to delete all the iOS runtimes, you need to be in recovery mode, so hold the power button, keep holding, don't let it go. Okay, you can let it go now. We are going to select options, don't select Macintosh there, click continue, a screen will pop up. You'll need to enter your password on your account for your Mac. Okay, here go up to utilities, terminal. Okay, from terminal enter this command. You'll have to type it anyway, so read it carefully. Now press enter and type this second line. Also be careful at the slash after Macintosh. Press enter again. Now you can close the terminal and go to the Apple logo and click restart. We are going to wait to load, enter our password, and now when you go to storage, you'll see that the system data has been reduced. We got a lot of free space. It cleared those ghost iOS Runtimes simulator from old Xcode that couldn't be deleted. They are located here in System Library in AssetsV2. As you see, AssetsV2 dropped lower now because it has a lot of free space. The iOS simulator runtimes don't even show now because we removed them. This is because a lot of people couldn't remove the one left by older Xcode. So now we will have to reinstall at least one iOS simulator for our Xcode because it removed also the simulators for Xcode 26. As you see, our system data is only 21 gigabytes. So now we go to Xcode settings, components, and we install back our simulators that we need. Thanks for watching, and hope this fixed your problem.